Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I want to introduce myself and my team. My name is Luqmanto as a first author, Widowati Pusparini as a second author, and Sri Mulyaningsih as a third author. I'm currently studying Sarjanawiyata Tamansiswa University, majoring teacher professional education. In here, I want presentation about improving critical thinking skill through problem-based learning with teaching material in social science in 5th grade elementary school. Background. The problem is 1. Lack of teaching material in school. 2. Students have difficult asking question, answer question, analyze problem, making discussion, and having difficult making conclusion. 3. Teacher-centered learning. The solution is using of problem-based learning model based teacher material in social science subject in 5th grade elementary school. Purpose to find out the increase in student critical thinking skill through the use of problem-based learning model in social science subject in 5th grade elementary school. Method. Research method. Classroom action research with model from Chemist and Taggart. Data type, qualitative data. Data collection technique, 1. Observation, 2. Documentation, and 3. Questionnaire. Research instrument, 1. Observation sheet, 2. Questionnaire sheet. Data analysis technique, use Miles and Haberman analysis model. Result. Table 1. Increasing student activity in a pre-cycle, cycle 1 and cycle 2. From the table above regarding the improvement of student critical thinking skill during the pre-cycle, cycle 1 and cycle 2, there was an increase in each stage. During the pre-cycle, the average student critical thinking skill were 55.3% or were in the fairly critical category. After implementing learning with the help of PBL-based teaching material on a cycle 1, the average percentage of critical thinking skill has increased to 62.1%. Even though the pre-cycle and cycle 1 students were still in the same category, the percentage increased by 6.8%. The aspect that experienced an increased cycle 1 was the aspect of giving simple explanation, including being able to formulate question and being able to analyze argument. In the cycle 2, the average percentage of student critical thinking skill is 70.05% or is in the critical category. Table 2. Data comparison of student critical thinking skill, Cycle 1 and Cycle 2. Based on the result of the action research that was carried out in the Grade 5 elementary school, it can be concluded that the use of teaching material based on problem-based learning model can improve student critical thinking skill with an average percentage in the cycle 1 of 62.1% and the cycle 2 of 72.3%. There was an increase in the aspect of giving simple explanation of 11%. In this aspect, students experience an increase in formulating question, analyze argument, classification by asking and answer question. In addition, there is also an increase in the aspect of drawing conclusion by 6.4%, which is marked by students being able to draw conclusion by induction and deduction. And finally, students experience an increase in the aspect of giving further explanation by 13.1%. This improvement is demonstrated by students being able to identify assumption and being able to provide their own definition and consider them. Conclusion. The use of problem-based learning based teaching material can improve student thinking skill. It is proven the use of this teaching material is able to provide a place of students to explore their knowledge, the problem around them. Thank you.